In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off protected view in Excel. If you often download spreadsheets from the web or receive them by email, you've probably seen the yellow banner that says the file is in protected view. That banner is there to help keep your computer safe by opening potentially risky files in a limited mode. If you fully trust the files you work with and want to remove that extra prompt, I'll show you exactly where to switch it off. Start in Excel with any workbook open. Look to the top left corner and click File. This takes you to the Backstage view, where the application-wide settings live, not just the settings for a single file. On the left-hand side of this view, scroll to the bottom and click Options. That opens the Excel Options window, which is where you can control most of Excel's behavior. Inside Excel Options, select Trust Center from the list on the left. The Trust Center is the central place for security and privacy settings. From here, click the button labeled Trust Center Settings. That opens a new window dedicated to security controls. In the Trust Center window, choose Protected View from the menu on the left. You'll see 3 checkboxes related to when Excel should open files in Protected View. One covers files that come from the internet, another covers files in potentially unsafe locations on your computer, and the third covers files opened from email attachments. To turn off Protected View completely, uncheck all 3 of these options. By doing this, Excel will open those files directly in editing mode instead of showing the yellow Protected View banner. A quick word of caution so you can make an informed decision. Protected View helps block malicious content from running automatically when you open a file from an unknown or untrusted source. If you uncheck these settings, make sure you only open files from places and people you genuinely trust. If your device is managed by an organization, some settings might be controlled by your administrator and may not be changeable. If you ever change your mind, you can come back to the same Protected View section and re-enable any of the checkboxes to restore that layer of protection. Also note, these settings do not change macro behavior. Macros are managed separately under Macro Settings in the Trust Center, if you need to review those later. That's it. You navigated to File Options Trust Center, Trust Center Settings, selected Protected View, and cleared the 3 checkboxes. Now, when you open trusted files, they should open directly without the Protected View banner. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps streamline your workflow while keeping you informed about the security trade-offs.